to my channel. If you are new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Lauren, but you can call me Lo, okay? And if you are a returning subby, thank you so much for coming back. Come on in, have a seat. I know you're gonna love this video, okay? Y'all, today I'm super excited to be filming because this is one of my first collaborations with a brand or company, and it's giving me Baddie on a Budget vibes, and we've been on this wave for a minute, so let's just stay there because I love it here. I love it. Today I will be reviewing these products for a company called Fashion Plug, and I'm sure you guys have heard of it. If not, they are a high quality dupe company. Their website is bomb, prices bomb, quality bomb. So y'all, let's get right into it, and I have a surprise for you later. Just stick around. All right, y'all, so I want to start out by going over to Fashion Plug's website so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I mean, they have everything from A to Z. I have my iPad here so you can follow along. I'll have it somewhere on the screen, but you guys have to check it out. So here we are on the website, Fashion Plug. And as you can see under bestsellers, we got Fendi, we got Jordan, we got Louis, Dior, Chanel, Gucci. Like, it's literally everything from hats, socks, belts, jeans, sunglasses, sneakers, slippers, sandals, earrings, swimsuits, luggage. Y'all, they have everything. And the surprise I was talking about, I have a discount code for you guys. It's already cheap, but we're going to get it even cheaper with the discount code. And it's going to be linked below, but the discount code is Lauren1818. The first item we're going to be reviewing today is this YSL crossbody bag. This tripped me out because, like, let's get into this packaging, okay? Hard, sturdy box. Okay, I don't have a real Yves Saint Laurent to compare this to, but I'm just knowing this is good quality here. Okay, this, we have a dust bag that has a crossbody inside of it, but then this is the part that really got me. Then we have receipts, like receipts in here, and we have tags. That is pretty trippy to me. Like, look at this, a whole receipts. Okay, so and now let's get to the bag. It's really pretty, guys. Like, seriously, come on now. Okay, the bag. Let's get into the bag. That's what we're here for, right? So we're gonna drop it out of this dust bag. Y'all, look how beautiful it is. It is so nice and sturdy. The leather feels soft and silky. No smell. I love the chain. It's heavy and quality. So this bag, I don't remember what it's called. Let me look. The Saint Laurent Classic Large Monogram with the silver hardware. So I just looked it up on Yves Saint Laurent's website, and this bag retails for $1,590. But for me, for you, for us, it is $359 on Fashion Plug's website, and that is before the discount code that I just gave you guys. You can't go wrong. I've guilty worn this a few times, gotten compliments every single time. I love this bag. Okay, guys, so the last item I got from Fashion Plug, certainly not the least, are these Louis Vuitton boots. They're called the Desert Boots on Louis Vuitton's website, and they retail for $1,390, okay? But on Fashion Plug's website, they are called the Louis Vuitton High Top Black Flat Boot, okay? Guess how much? $150. Again, that is before the discount code I just gave you guys. So let's get into this packaging, okay? This right here is an authentic Louis Vuitton box that I have for one of my purses that I've purchased before, and I just wanted to show you guys the color comparison. It's not that much off, and of course, like, if you didn't have one sitting around, nobody would ever even know, you know? So yeah, let's get into the shoe. Look at these boots. They are gorgeous. I cannot wait to wear and style these boots here. I have tried them on. They fit beautifully. I have wide feet. I'm also pregnant, and my feet swell a lot, and they still fit. So I would say they're wide feet friendly, and I have big feet as well. So, but let's just give these a moment of silence just for a sec. And we're back. Y'all, these They do have a leather smell, but I like that smell because it smells like leather. It's supposed to be leather. So yeah. Also, as I was mentioning with the other, this is how it came packaged. I already tried that shoe on, so that's why it's not in the plastic. But we also have receipts. We have the envelope for the receipt. And we have a dust bag. So, y'all, this packaging, unbelievable. The quality of these products, unbelievable. I will try these on and get back with you guys. Or not try them on. I've tried them on. I will style them and get back with you guys. But, yeah, look at this. You can't beat it with a stick. $150? Like, come on now. All right, guys, that wraps up this video. In conclusion, as you can see, I love these items. I love Fashion Plug. The customer service was great. The shipping was great. I forgot to even talk about the shipping, but yeah, it took about a week and a half for me to get these items, and I did change my shoe size. I want to say right before they were going to ship it, so it probably would have gotten here even quicker. But again, thank you to Fashion Plug for reaching out to me for this collaboration. Y'all have to go try this out and use the coupon code Lauren18 for more money off. Okay, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you like this type of content. I'm loving the Baddie on the Budget series that we have going on, because who doesn't like to look good with the less money spent, you know? So guys, please like, comment, subscribe if you like what's going on. Let me know what you think. All right, see you guys later.